nhắm có được rồi, nó tính là trò xỉ.
哎，小心点，小心点！
还有人跳水，看到吗？哎呦我的天呐！好水！
保安，快上来！这上面还这上面看不见呢。
好水！我们在上面的太高了，
水里得有这种小海里的。
好吓人。
Naglalakad sa tulay ng iisa at walang kasama, ngunit hindi ko inakala na nandyan ka na pala. At ako'y nagtataka kung bakit ba nakita kitang may kasama ka ng iba. Nalimutan mo na ba ang pagsasama natin dalawa? Noon pa alam mo na mahal kita. Ibinigay ko ang lahat sa'yo, at yun ang gusto ko. Sana naman pahalagahan mo ang pag-ibig kong nalilito. At bakit di pagbigyan ang pusong nagmamahal? Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko.
Fat Cat was a young man in love. He was devoted to his partner. He would do anything for her. Then, tragedy struck. Fat Cat died suddenly. His death sent shockwaves through the community. People were left reeling, searching for answers. Fat Cat's story is a stark reminder of the fragility of life. It is a tale of love and loss, sacrifice and societal pressures. It forces us to confront the choices we make in the name of love. And it asks us to consider the price of commitment in a world that often values individual success above all else. Fat Cat's love for his partner knew no bounds. He was willing to make immense sacrifices to ensure her happiness. He poured his heart and soul into their relationship, often at the expense of his own well-being. Fat Cat's financial sacrifices were particularly noteworthy. He worked tirelessly to provide for his partner, often taking on extra shifts or multiple jobs. He wanted to give her the best life possible, even if it meant stretching himself thin. Society often romanticizes grand gestures of love and sacrifice. We are conditioned to believe that true love requires putting our partner's needs above our own. Fat Cat's story is a poignant example of this cultural norm, highlighting both its beauty and its potential pitfalls. Fat Cat's unwavering commitment to his partner came at a cost. He neglected his own health, both physical and mental. He pushed himself to the limit, driven by a desire to provide and protect. The strain of Fat Cat's sacrifices took a toll on his body. He was constantly exhausted, running on fumes. His once vibrant spirit began to dwindle, replaced by a weariness that was impossible to ignore. Fat Cat's story raises important questions about the limits of commitment. When does sacrifice become self-destructive? At what point do we need to prioritize our own well-being, even if it means potentially disappointing our loved ones? Fat Cat's tragic death sparked a media frenzy. News outlets scrambled to cover the story, eager to capitalize on the public's fascination with love, loss, and sacrifice. Social media exploded with reactions. Some expressed heartfelt condolences, mourning the loss of a young life cut short. Others questioned Fat Cat's choices, wondering if his sacrifices were ultimately misguided. The public's response to Fat Cat's story was complex and multifaceted. It reflected a society grappling with the evolving nature of love and commitment in a rapidly changing world. Section 5. A society grappling with loss. Fat Cat's death became a focal point for broader societal conversations. People began to re-examine their own relationships, questioning the sacrifices they were willing to make for love. The incident sparked debates about gender roles, financial responsibility, and the pressures placed on individuals within romantic partnerships. It forced a reckoning with the societal norms that often shape our understanding of love and commitment. Fat Cat's story became a touchstone for a generation grappling with the complexities of love in a world increasingly defined by individualism and economic uncertainty. Section 6. The enduring power of love. Despite the tragic ending, Fat Cat's story is ultimately a testament to the enduring power of love. It reminds us that love can inspire profound acts of selflessness and devotion. Fat Cat's sacrifices, however misguided, were born out of a deep desire to make his partner happy. His actions, though ultimately detrimental to his own well-being, reflected a love that was genuine and unwavering. Fat Cat's story serves as a poignant reminder that love, in its purest form, can move us to act in ways that defy logic and reason. It is a force that can shape our lives in profound and unpredictable ways, leaving an indelible mark on our hearts and minds.